Hello everyone, welcome you all in Knowledge Center Computer. If you are a new user on my channel, please subscribe my channel first and click on the bell icon to receive the notification first. In this video we are going to discuss one important concept of MySQL functions. As we know, MySQL functions play an important role when we are executing commands. In this class we are not just discussing them, but we are executing all the functions in MySQL command prompt one by one and try to understand how they practically also execute. Many students have complained that we know what is the use of functions, but we don't know how they are performing. So in this video we are clearing all the doubts, how they work, how they are used. So we are discussing practically. So let's start how MySQL functions works in SQL. First is, what is a function? A function is a special type of command in MySQL that performs some operation on table and return a single value. These are the predefined commands in SQL, and remember this, every function always return a single value, and single value always written by a function. So next topic is types of function. As you can see on screen, types of function are two types are there: single row function and multiple row function. And single row function are divided into three sections, that is numeric function, string function and date and time function. And multiple row functions are divided into single category, that is called aggregate function. Now next question arises, what do you understand by single row and multiple row function? So numeric, string and data time functions are called string row function because they can accept only one row and return only one value. It means they are getting only one row as an input and one output. So that's why we are calling them single row function. And remember, single row functions are three types: numeric, string and date and time. Second category is that multiple row function is also known as aggregate function, and these functions operate on a set of rows or return a single value. Either you can work with single row function or multiple row function. Always they are giving single output. So in this class we are going to discuss two concepts here: aggregate function and numeric function. In next class we will discuss string function and date and time function. So start with this. First, aggregate function. As we discuss here, aggregate functions are multiple row functions, so they are working on multiple rows. There are 5 aggregate functions are there: sum, avg, min, max and count. These functions are applied almost same way in a particular underlined table. So remember the syntax, how we are applying, like function name, then bracket and column name on which we are applying each function. So, as you can see here, sum function return the sum of the given values. So select sum sale from employee. What is the meaning of this command? Should be written salary columns ka sum from employee table. So we are starting MySQL and we are executing all commands there. There is a database register. Here is one command table: select star from emp, and you can see here is already created command table by me, and this table contains 5 records, and in this table there are 3 columns: name, sale and city. So in this table we are executing commands one by one. So I am executing first command, this here, and you can see the output of this command. some salary should be there. Salary should be there. So the total of salary column is there. Second command we are executing, select minimum of this. So we are executing minimum of this, and you can, sum is replaced by min, and you can see in this minimum is 22,000. So min is calculated here, and then next is min is replaced by max, and max salary is 50,000. Then next command is average, and average salary is there. Average salary is there. Next command is count function. So count return the number of value in the given column of a table. It also reflect the number of record in the table. So I am executing this command. Here count return the number of records. You can see 5 record was there. In this table 5 record is there, so 5 is written by count. So you can understand, sum used to calculate the sum, minimum is used to calculate the minimum value, max is written the maximum value, average written the average value, and count is written used to count the number of records in underlying table. So in this way they are working and how they are using. I am showing you this table, these functions, what is the use of this function and how they are performing. And for students' help, we are giving whatever study material we are using in this video. We will provide you link in description for your notes. You can download from there and use for your study. Second is here numeric function, and we already know numeric functions are works on numeric values. So here 5 numeric functions are there: mod, power, or you can see POW, that is POW, round, square root, that is SQRT, and truncate. So mod function return the remainder of m divided by n, and you can say, or you can use in this way, select mod m comma n. Here output is 3, mod remainder 11 divided by 4, 11 mod by 4, so remainder is 3. Second function is power, written m power n. How we are writing? M is the number, n is the power. So here we are giving m comma n, and m comma n is written in this way, that is 9. Third function is round function. In round function we should remember, return a number round off up to m place. If m is -1, it round as nearest 10. If m is not given, then n is rounded to nearest integer. So we are here including all 3 types of example, so we can easily understand how they are working. So it should be written 15.2 nearest 10 integer, then nothing is mentioned, so it up to m place. So m place, and minus value should be nearest 10. So 2 converted. I think it is clear. Round function. Next function is a SQRT function, that is used to calculate the square root. You can calculate in this way: select SQRT and number. For example, I am changing this number 196. You can see 14, 169. It should be 13. In this way it is working. So next function is truncate function, return number after truncating m decimal places. It means whenever we are giving number, and if m is given, then after decimal m numbers digits will be there. We will discuss 2-3 examples here. then it should be clear how it is working. Here output should be 7 because we are giving m decimal. I am giving here, now I am giving 2, then it should be 7 9. If I am replacing 2 by 4, then it is giving 7943, and if I am giving here 5, then whole number is there. You can see 79432, 79432, 5 digits are there, so 5 digits are there. In this way truncate functions are working. After this, I think it is clear for you how numeric function and aggregate functions are working. So if you like this, please like this video and share with your friends, and click on thumbs up button for like this. Any problem if you face, please mention in comments. I will be there. So thank you for watching this.